Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for watching, and that's how you make pizza sauce. So here's some of the finished product. As you can see, it's more of an orange, and that's what I've learned making pizza sauce myself. Last year we made it too before I had the channel, and it was orange just like that. So I think if you look at the label on your pizza sauce that you buy from the store, I believe it does say they added like a red food coloring or something. Because that's what people think of when they think of pizza sauce. But the truth is, when you make it yourself, or at least in my own experience, it is more of an orange color. No, it is not because of the yellow tomatoes I put in. That could make it a little bit more orange, but we used 0 yellow tomatoes last year, and it was just like this stuff. So, thanks for watching. That's how you make pizza sauce, guys. It's delicious. I'll put a link to the recipe link in the description below, so you guys can go find that. It's on a really cool blog called 1450 Farm. Anyway, there's a link in the description below, and that's how you make it. It's not my own recipe, like I said. It's a blog that I follows recipe. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe to Alice Homestead. We post 2 new videos every single week. I hope you like today's video. Be sure to hit thumbs up on the video also, and share it if you really enjoyed it. Okay, guys, this is Al from Alice Homestead signing out. I'll see you all back here in the next video.